Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how the inbound webhook, how this feature works in Rapidbott and how useful it can be and what are the basic use cases that you can do with this. So which this feature is you can find inside your chatbot builder. Once you set up a chatbot on your workspace, go inside the tools, then you can find inbound webhook. From here, you can create inbound webhook. So basically, inbound webhooks are from different platforms, from a website or a third-party platform, another platform. You want to send some information and trigger a specific flow inside this chatbot. For example, you have a user who is filling up a lead on your website, and you want to instantly, once they submit the lead, you want to instantly trigger a WhatsApp notification or send a notification to them. So in this case of this type of use cases, this inbound webhook will be really useful. Let me show you a demo. So here you can see we have a basic form set it up on JH Fiddle to give an idea. So let me create a inbound webhook first. Let's call it test demo. So when you create, you will get a URL like this. Copy this URL. Let's enable this. I'm going to update this URL here. So what happens is, as soon as I fill up the lead, when I click on submit, this data, whatever data, name, age, phone number, email. So whatever data you're collecting from your website side, you can send to this inbound webhook URL. Let's update this URL. Now let's go back to Rapidbott. Let's do one thing. Let's listen to this payload. Let's activate it. It's already active. This thing will run in the background. Right? It will be active now. Since we activated it, it's listening to any response comes to this URL. Let's fill up this data. Let's give some info here. Let me put country code also. Let's submit it. You can see the form has been submitted. Click OK. Now let's click on done. As soon as the form is submitted, you can see we received the data from the website. Like this, from any application you want to send data, you can use the inbound web. You can create an inbound webhook URL and configure that URL, and you can send. This is a basic demo only. I just want to show. From your website, you are building a form, or on your website as a developer, you want to do it. You can use the inbound webhook like this. You can send this data to your chatbot. So the our system will capture it. Now let's look at how to trigger a specific flow. Like here you can see a couple of options you can find. So what is user NS? User NS is an existing, like for example, this data you're sending, you know the user ID. Like previously this user interacted with the chatbot, with your chatbot, they will have a unique user ID. In this case, you will not know, because this user is directly landed on the website and filling up the data. So we can skip that user NS. Then rest of the things, if this is a this channel I'm showing you this demo, it's a WhatsApp channel. So basically on WhatsApp channel, most important thing to trigger a flow is we need the phone number of the user. So in our case, we are passing the phone number value. So we can map that. For example, you can click on preview payload. You can click this payload address. This is the payload where the number has, sorry, my bad. You can copy this. You can paste this value here. So what happens is, since user NS value is missing, contact CRM. If you are using go higher level, then you will get a unique ID. These things you can skip. In this case, we only need the phone number. So you map the phone number. Then email. Email is useful when you are working on a web-based chatbot or some other chatbot. If the phone number is missing, using the email also we can trigger the flow. So in our case, phone number is what we needed, because this is a WhatsApp channel. I'm doing this demo on a WhatsApp channel. Let's use the WhatsApp number. Now, if you want, you can map the entire thing into a JSON, or if you want to map the entire thing into a variables that you want. Like for example, first name or last name. This I can map into username. I can add this. Email also I can map into an email field like that. Or if you want, you can map the entire thing into a JSON variable. You can create a JSON variable and you can map the entire thing and click on add. So this is how you will capture the data into the chatbot, save, Now here you can see if you want to trigger a specific flow. For example, I want to greet this customer. Hi, thank you, something like that. Form complete. So I'm created a flow and I'm going to send them a thank you message. So what happens is, as soon as this form is submitted again, so this we will capture the data here, then we can trigger that flow for that particular user. So this is how it will work. So when you are so in this case, I already interacted with number, I can directly send this thank you message. In your case, this user haven't or they never interacted with your WhatsApp number. In that case, you can use the WhatsApp message templates. You can create templates with Meta directly, and you can trigger that template message directly. So I think previously also we explained how to set up template messages. So you can in the send message block, go to message template. From here you can select the template message that you got approved from Meta, and you can directly trigger that particular template message for your customers. That also something you can do. For now we are not gonna do that. We're gonna publish this. Now let's do a testing. I have the WhatsApp open here, you can see. Now let's head back to our form. Let's fill it up again, all this info. Let's go with 29. Let's add the country code also, and let's submit this form. Click OK. You can see on WhatsApp I got the thank you message. So as soon as the form is filled, submitted, the workflow that we set it up will get triggered. So if you go back to inbound webhook, go to logs, you can see this message has been sent just now. We can try a different age, and if I change the number, means it will not trigger, because it will only trigger to my WhatsApp number. If you give a different number, means it will the number needs to be created. So we don't want to do it. Let's use our own number. Let me change my email and let's submit this. We can check, we got another thank you message. Same thing, we can check it here. We got a new inbound webhook. You can see the new email. So this is how inbound webhooks can be used for your business, and it will be more useful. And you can trigger from any platform, any third-party platform or any API. You can trigger it. You can send a request to your platform. One other thing you need to understand, this inbound webhook feature, because it will, once you create it, it will be running 24/7. It will be running in the backend. So as for now, we are giving 500 inbound requests for free per day. So if you are a business who running, you are getting a lot of requests in a day. This is not the limit you want. If you want to increase the limit, you can reach out to support, or you can buy an additional add-on. With the add-on packages, you can increase the limit for the inbound webhooks. Like per day you need 1000 requests. Like that, you can increase the limit. So by default, this will be reset every 24 hours. Like as per your workspace time zone, whatever time zone you are on, you can update it. Per every 24 hours, this limit will be reset. So as of now, we are giving you 500 requests for free, which is good enough. No other platforms will give this kind of features. You will have to rely on any other third-party tools like Zapier or Papply to run this kind of backend operations for you. In our platform, we give us a native feature, but there is a limit. 500 is the current limit that we are giving for free. If you are exceeding that, always you can reach out to our support, or you can buy additional add-on for this. So to increase the limit. I hope this is a very informative video for you. And as a developer, if you want to make use of this feature, feel free to try it out. Have any questions, feel free to reach out to support. Thank you.